Hey friends, today I want to share an incredible success story with you. Meet John, a travel enthusiast who turned his passion into a profit. He was stuck in a 9-to-5 job, barely making ends meet, until he discovered a unique side hustle using AI to generate TikTok videos and promoting Skyscanner's affiliate programs. In just 6 months, he went from earning a few extra bucks to making $500 a day, all from the comfort of his own home. How did he do that? Let's find out. So what's Skyscanner's affiliate program? It's a platform where you earn commission by promoting Skyscanner's travel services. Every time someone books a flight or hotel through your affiliate link, you get paid 20% of the sale. Simple, right? Okay, let's dive in on how to get started. First, head over to Skyscanner's affiliate program website and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll get a unique affiliate ID that tracks all your referrals. Inside the dashboard, you can track clicks, bookings, and most importantly, your earnings. It's user-friendly and provides all the tools you need to succeed. Now here's where the magic happens. By using AI, you can create engaging TikTok videos that attract viewers and drives traffic to your Skyscanner affiliate link. Imagine having AI generate stunning videos of holiday destinations. Tools like Pictory.ai can help you turn simple ideas into eye-catching videos in minutes. These tools allow you to combine stock footage, music, and text to create content that stands out on TikTok. And the best part, you can automate and schedule your posts to keep your audience engaged 24/7. Here's a step-by-step guide to promoting your Skyscanner affiliate link on TikTok. Create engaging content. Focus on popular travel destinations and trends. Use AI to generate high-quality videos that captivate your audience. Add your affiliate link in your TikTok bio, including your Skyscanner's affiliate link. Encourage viewers to check out your bio for more detail. This will encourage people to click and buy directly from you. Use relevant hashtags and participate in trending challenges to increase your video's reach. But wait, there's more. By growing your TikTok following, you can also tap into TikTok's monetization program. Earn money through the creator fund, brand partnerships, and even live gifts from your audience. It's a win-win. Now let's dive into the detailed steps to implement your AI strategy effectively. This tool helps you create engaging videos from text content. It uses AI to transform articles, blog posts, and even short snippets into stunning videos. Sign up for Pictory.ai and choose a plan that fits your needs. Input a travel blog post or destination guide related to your affiliate link. You can search Google for travel articles or ask ChatGPT to write one for you. Customize the video with stock footage, music, and text overlays provided by the platform. Choose visuals that match the destination and vibe you want to convey. Export the video and save it to your device, ready for uploading to TikTok. Next, let's automate the workflow. This tool allows you to schedule and manage your TikTok posts. Sign up for Hootsuite and connect your TikTok account. Upload your AI-generated videos and schedule them for optimal posting times. Research the best times to post for maximum engagement. Use Hootsuite's analytics to track engagement and optimize your posting schedule based on the performance data. Analyze and optimize. Use TikTok's built-in analytics to monitor the performance of your videos. Access TikTok analytics through your TikTok Pro account. Track metrics such as views, likes, shares, and comments to understand what resonates with your audience the most. Next, adjust strategy. Identify which types of content performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your reach and engagement. By using these tools and strategies, you can create a consistent stream of high-quality content that drives traffic to your Skyscanner affiliate link. Here's an insider tip. John used AI to create a series of videos about hidden gems in Europe. One of his videos went viral and he saw a 300% increase in bookings through his Skyscanner affiliate link, earning him thousands of dollars overnight. By combining Skyscanner's affiliate program with the power of AI and TikTok, you can create a passive income stream and enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere. So, start your journey today and who knows, you might be the next success story. Click the link in the description to sign up for Skyscanner's affiliate program and get started with AI tools that I've personally recommended. Remember, the sky's the limit with Skyscanner, AI and TikTok. But wait, there's more. Are you ready to discover how to make money on YouTube without ever creating a video of yourself? In this step-by-step guide here, I'll show you the secret to earning a steady income on YouTube, just like successful YouTubers who are making thousands every month without showing their face. So click on the video and I'll see you there. And as always, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching.